You know how eggs just slide right off the pan? Let's get into the science behind that non-stick magic.
So why doesn't food stick? It's not magic, folks. It is all about the chemistry.
To get it, we've got to zoom in right to the surface, where all the action happens.
Okay, so deep inside a liquid, molecules are pulled every which way. But on the surface, whole different story.
See, the molecules on top get tugged downwards by the ones below. This creates a kind of tension.
And that property, we call it surface tension. It's like a super thin, stretchy skin on the liquid. Basically, all that tension is a type of energy. We call it, you guessed it, surface energy.
So how does a pan beat that energy? Well, it uses a super special material. Let's meet the star of our show.
It's a polymer called polytetrafluoroethylene. Yeah, that's a mouthful. We'll just call it PTFE.
But you almost certainly know it by its famous brand name, Teflon. Teflon's got some cool superpowers. It's unreactive, handles heat like a champ, and it's super slick.
And where do these powers come from? It's all in its molecular structure. Let's dive in.
Picture this, a carbon backbone that's wrapped up tight in a shield of fluorine atoms.
This fluorine shield makes the molecules super stable, and they just don't want to interact with anything else.
And here's the key takeaway. Because of that structure, Teflon has crazy low surface energy. Okay, but how does low energy mean non-stick? It really all comes down to attraction.
And we can actually see this with something called the contact angle.
Now check this out. Look at Teflon's contact angle with water. It is super high.
A high angle means the liquid just won't spread out. It doesn't wet the surface at all.
You see, the liquid molecules would much rather stick to themselves than to the Teflon.
And that's exactly why you see water and oil just beat up and roll right off.
So, to sum it all up, every surface has energy, but Teflon's is just incredibly low.
This forces liquids to ball up into a bead, trying to touch as little of the pan as possible.
Makes you wonder, right? What other everyday magic is really just cool surface chemistry at work?